merch. Yes, it's a merch or a merchandise made by my student or former student. Now, it's my friend already, si Jandy Pasagi ko na nandun na sa Japan. Pero, isa siyang artist, isa siyang digital artist at gumagawa siya ngayon ng mga merchandise ng Merc or Merc.ph. So, ito yung packaging ng Merc. Ayan, oh. Ganda. So, ito yung design. Ayan. Oh, laki pala, no? Oh, ganda. So, ito yung design na gawa ni Jandy. Try natin. Suotin natin. Okay? Bango. Bango na bago. Ayan. Okay, nice and large. Ayan. So, ito yung ginawa ng aking student by Jandy. It's a merch from Merc.ph. Merc. Meron pa sa likod. Ganun. Jandy, approve yan.